Hello there and welcome to 720 Union Street. We are really nice and close to Washington Square Park and also to Columbus Avenue. So you've got lots of things available to you. We've got hardwood floors throughout the apartment. We'll start into the great room here. Lots of sunlight, high ceilings, lots of opportunities for this room. We've got sliding doors here, so you can close this room off. The next room is going to be the bedroom. This is the first bedroom here. Nice big closet. Those doors can close off. We've got our good light and our high ceilings. We'll come down the hallway to the second bedroom. Again, same hardwood floors, lots of storage space, high ceilings. And then we're going to take a quick peek across and see the bathroom here. We've got a nice bit of space, sink, stand-up shower, all marble redone, and we've got a separate bathroom. One other nice feature that I really like about this apartment is that it has a huge walk-in closet. And lots of built-in shelves and drawers. So let's go ahead and we'll check out the third bedroom and the kitchen. We'll visit the bedroom first. This is the third bedroom, also the largest, most amount of light, closet space again, and high ceilings. And then from here, we can take a peek into the kitchen. So we've got our gas stove, we've got a lot of closet space and dishwasher, refrigerator. If this doesn't seem like quite enough storage space, there is an additional pantry. So we'll just take a quick peek at that. Lots more shelving. And then we get to go and visit the laundry room. Washer dryer, lots of light, and tile floors. And welcome to the garden. We've got enough room for a barbecue. You could add some extra plants down here. You could set up a nice table for outdoor dining. Lots of opportunities here.